There's Mr. Mace. He's looking for his girlfriend out there. Good morning, Coho. Time for a little bit of coffee. He loves watching me make coffee in the morning. Then Mason goes over to set up by the chair that I always sit in. He'll get ready to sit upon me. He has to check outside for Patches, his girlfriend. We're not sure if it's girlfriend or if he's just bothered because there's a fourth cat in our midst. I don't think he wants to share any more space or people's with another cat. But I'm not sure. I don't know how to read it, but I'm not going to let him go outside and interact with Patches because he's yowling so much, making so many sounds. What do you guys think? What is Mason saying about Patches? He gets puffed up, but that's natural when a cat sees another cat that he's not used to. I think when the one time that they met face to face, they definitely were more curious about each other and didn't fight at all. Didn't even hiss or scratch each other. They just kind of hung out and flicked their tails and weren't sure what to think. I think they needed just, if they were going to meet, they would need some time together to work it out. But I don't want to take that risk because I don't know if the other cat has fleas or diseases, although she looks very healthy. Patches is appearing to be a very healthy kitty. Mason! Come on, Mason. Can you walk under the puppy? Mason! Mason! He likes you, Sadie. You love Mason? Is your friend here to visit? Who's out there? There's Patches. Is that your girlfriend? Hmm? Is that your girlfriend? You want to go see your girlfriend? Hmm? Yeah? Patches is hunting. Mason, Patches belongs outside. No. Patches hunts mice and voles and baby rabbits. Patches has been coming to our yard for a few years, but just recently as Mason figured this out. Isn't she cute? She's right on time. She always comes by about 8:30 every morning. Just like clockwork. She has good hearing right through the window. Mason's like destroying the upstairs. What's going on, co-host? Not sure about what all this is about. You hear that? The woodpecker pecking at the house again. What is that, Mason? What's going on out there? Cole is so curious. Oh, and he sees a squirrel. What's out there, Mason? So much wildlife to look at today, huh? Yeah, I think the woodpecker's gonna try and move in again for winter.
Let the sun shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in.
There's the mailman. What if it was a lady? Then it would be the female man.